This carelessness is ridiculous. Hiring an unprofessional worker to deal with the tree next to the house. Clearly, he is not an expert. Luckily, no one in this family was hurt. How terrible. Oh, that was a great plan, but it didn't work out. This is a lesson learned. Oh, my God. One wrong move. It could have been a total disaster, but they did it. Oh, my God. No amount of money can make me do this. It takes courage and passion to be able to do it. It's not always perfect. Be vigilant and know when to walk away to be safe. A big storm caused a large tree in front of the house to gradually lean and endanger the house. The tree was uprooted and gradually fell on the house, destroying it and collapsing. Trees can always fall in any direction. Even if you are sure of the direction and control it, run fast before it hits you. When confidence becomes overconfidence, even the simplest task becomes a disaster. Inexperience is one thing. This man is just playing recklessly. No safety equipment, no understanding of the risks. He is just playing with fire. Seriously, this should be left to the professionals who have the experience and equipment to handle dangerous situations like this. Lucky it was an abandoned house. This is why you should wear a seatbelt when working. It is never enough. When you work in dangerous situations like this, safety comes first at all times. Watch these experts work their magic. Their tree cutting techniques are perfect and guaranteed to cause no harm.
The sight alone gives me the shivers, and swinging that saw at that height is terrifying to think about.
Could be so efficient and beautiful. This 2-in-1 method takes tree felling to the next level. That guy is a little tool with big power. Every successful tree felling job starts with a solid plan, and he does his job right.
With a tree this tall, it is necessary for him to hang a safety harness when sawing a tree of this height, a highly skilled expert. Safety is always essential and must be put first. No exceptions, seriously. No amount of money would let me do that. I have a lot of respect for anyone who does this. The job requires high precision and a lot of experience. He handled those trees perfectly, smoothly, and safely, as it was supposed to be a perfect masterpiece.
Oh, this job is no joke. Not only are they cutting down these huge trees, but the terrain is very dangerous. One mistake can turn a routine job into a nightmare.
These two workers are struggling with a giant tree. Do you believe that these people can take down this giant tree? Leave a comment below and follow us to see how long it takes these two guys to conquer this tree. These two guys work together to take down the tree. Luckily, he took down the tree smoothly. Oh my God. gosh, nature always finds a way to challenge amazing engineering. This is a scientific demonstration of how to cut wood. Cutting a pine tree with a chainsaw is both an art and a science. I can't believe they cut down such a huge tree with just a tiny saw. He tried every way to cut the tree into pieces, using a hammer to make it release, then using a saw to cut the remaining parts. Finally, he brought it.
Sometimes you need to listen to nature to give you clear signs to stop the poor things that work. The old wood has rotted on the outside, making it more difficult for the workers.
I never realized how fragile the balance of nature is. One tree falls, and the whole forest feels the impact. The way he sawed the big tree, and then used a hammer to hit it out onto the road, shows that he's a very strong person who can saw the big tree into small pieces. It's a reminder that even the most experienced people can make mistakes, and that sometimes a little luck can make the difference. Even experienced professionals face challenges. It is important that they follow safety rules, and a little luck also helps be safe out there. Keep an eye out for rookie. Killing two birds with one stone looks easy, but I know it's a very difficult job. This guy knows what he's doing, knows how to wedge in the right place, swings the hammer hard a few times, and that giant is going down exactly where he aimed, expert level.
Every lumberjack knows this beast all too well. It is the ultimate test of skill and courage, and it is a testament to his expertise that he can handle a job like this safely. There is a real technology to felling trees. Is not just brute force, but also understanding that tree and the terrain. The cuts of the loggers are like the beautiful strokes of an artist creating his masterpiece. The machine is great balance between power and maneuverability beautifully. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting things. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.
Nature really knows how to play tricks. When a tree falls, the sound is so captivating. It is a mix of gentleness and firmness coupled with beauty. Each crack as the tree falls sounds like thunder, very pleasing to the ears. Several trees fell at once. That guy is a tree-felling wizard, and it's impossible to improvise. Cutting down in that direction is called a job.